Okay. It's just light, but you can feel the shaking. If you guys don't believe me, look outside. You might not see it. Did it stop? I can't tell. Can't tell if it stopped. Oh, it's still going.
Still going.
It's still going. Alright, later we should go outside, okay? When it stop? It's okay, Mom. It's just light. It's okay, it's just light.
More? Gotta go on the other side.
Alright, guys. Let's go. Everything is okay. Hui, is everyone okay?
Yeah. Then, no.
Is everyone okay?
That's a very, very strong, huh?
First time feeling
First
one.
time, huh? So how is it?
I kinda wanted to feel one for the
Very
first time.
strong. So how many?
I think this is
intensity?
7.
Not yet. Not yet. This probably feels like it's light.
No, it's not.
It's 4.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, I think we should go outside. Everyone's okay. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. First time feeling one. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys. I'll give you more updates soon.